Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to showing you how to make a simple Arduino Bluetooth controlled 4-channel switch. Guys, this is very simple way to build. This Bluetooth switch come up with Transformerless Power Supply. And this Bluetooth switch based on Arduino Nano and HC05 Bluetooth module. In this project I am used this Arduino Nano. But this project compatible for Arduino Uno, Arduino Mini, and Arduino Mega. In my case I am used Arduino Nano. And this project I am used this Bluetooth module. This is HC05 Bluetooth module. In this Bluetooth module operating voltage is 4 to 6 voltage typically plus 5 voltage. Works with serial communication USART and TTL compatible. And this project we use this BT136SCR silicon controlled rectifier. In this circuit the SCR can be turned using the switch. But my suggestion, please use this circuit on relay. You will use relay for switching, you will use all loads. In this video I am use this BT136SCR. Because now I not have a relay switch. Because now quarantine time all electronics shop will closed. Then I not possible to purchase any electronic spare parts in the market. Then I decided to use this BT136SCR. And this project come up with Transformerless Power Supply. And this is Transformerless Power Supply components. I will give all components by link in the video description. Guys, here I completed everything. I placed all components on this plain sheet. This time I set up all these components on this plain cardboard sheet. Yes, it's look like weird. Guys, now I don't have a PCB board. Then I choose this method. But you will definitely use PCB board. Okay guys, this the Transformerless Power Supply section. This power supply output is 12 voltage. Arduino Nano. HC05 Bluetooth module. 4 switching transistor. In my case I am use BT136SCR. But remember you will use relay. For switching for this circuit. 4 switching LED. Okay, now this the test setup. Here the output load I am use this 4 C lamps. Now time to install the Android Bluetooth app. Open Play Store. Go to search and type Arduino Bluetooth controller. This is the app icon. Download and install this app. Now back to home. Now power on the circuit. Now press the Bluetooth icon. Now showing HC05 in your smartphone. Now press the HC05. It will ask password. Enter the password on 1234. Then press OK. Now your Android device successfully connected on your Arduino. Now open the Arduino Bluetooth controller app. Press the search icon. Now select HC05 Bluetooth. Click Don't Ask Again and press Yes. OK, now the Arduino app successfully connected on Arduino Bluetooth. OK, now press the button icon. Here showing 6 buttons. Now hold the first button. You also change the button name, but I didn't change. OK, now select on command and type capital B. And select off command type capital A. Now hold the second button. OK, now select on command and type capital Y. And select off command type capital X. Now hold the third button. OK, now select on command and type capital Q. And select off command type capital P. Now hold the fourth button. OK, now select on command and type capital N. And select off command type capital M. This button is used for a master switch. OK, now select on command and type capital V. And select off command type capital U. OK guys, now this setup is completed. Now check. Here I turn on the first button. Now first load will be on. Here I turn on the second button. Now second load will be on. Here I turn on the third button. Now third load will be on. Here I turn on the fourth button. Now fourth load will be on. Here I turn on the fifth button. Now all load will be on. This is the master switch. Okay guys, now talk about Eeprom. Eeprom is an electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. This is a small space that can store byte variables. The variables stored in the Eeprom kept there, event when you reset or power off the Arduino. Simply, the Eeprom is permanent storage similar to a hard drive in computers. Each Eeprom position can save 1 byte, which means you can only store 8-bit numbers, which includes integer values between 0 and 255. Now you can see guys, I turn on first load and fourth load. Now I disconnect the main supply. Here you can see guys, loads will be off. Now I reconnect the main supply. You can see last status will on. That means when the power failure happened. After came the power last status will working. That is called Eeprom feature.